Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Crypto Wars. I'm excited. We got another 1v1 today, Crypto fam. If you haven't been paying attention, we've been trying to do some more 1v1s recently. Crusader, although your name says Keeper, let me make a quick edit here. That's my fault. I need to change your name. I need to change your name for you. There we go, sweetheart.
You gotta do at least. I gotta leave some work for you to do.
Right, I gotta do something. That's my work for the day. I am done. Dude, you did actually, I commend you. You did really well. What'd you lose? $2 yesterday off the whole hour and did some trades? Like, it was good.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so if you didn't see it yesterday, Crusader went live against Forrest. I will tell you, Forrest left his positions open. Crusader beat him over the course of the 1 hour, which was the time constraints. So that's all that matters. But I got two messages from Forrest. One of them last night was at 12:30 in the morning, and it said, "We mobbing," and he was up like $47, obviously being just joking around. But then I got one at 10:05 today, and he was up $157. So his strategy, dude, of doing all these little small trades, strong tokens versus weak tokens versus, he might do really, really well with that. And for those of you that are watching, that P&L after hours is not going to count. So if you guys are trading against, use the link that we're going to have pinned in the chat here in a second. You can use that link to sign up. You can win $1,000 if you're able to beat these traders, and it will just be during those time frames. Real quick, we're going to bring up the traders in just a second. I'm guessing they're probably already in a trade or two. But Crusader, will you do me a favor and go over the rules?
Well, these rules are pretty simple for the 1v1s. Pretty much anything goes. No blows below the belt. Besides that, I mean, just trade, try to make money, try to make it happen, and
trade. Yeah, thank you very much. Shout out to all of our sponsors. Market Cypher, if you want 20% off Market Cypher, it's a fantastic indicator. A lot of people use it. We've got that link down below in the description, so check that out. Obviously, we've got ZoomX providing all the liquidity for the trading to happen. They are our partner. Thank you, ZoomX. Round of applause to you. You guys have been great to us. We really appreciate all the support. Looking forward to more and more people trading underneath us and enjoying having fun and learning while they trade. And then, guys, don't be stupid. Use High IQ. Check out High IQ. We've got the link down below as well for that as another new indicator that is popping off. So shout out to Mr. Armstrong for that. All right, let's bring up the contestants. We have got the man, the myth, the bull, the legend, Bullish Trader. Bullish, what up?
What up, guys? I'm excited, man.
Dude,
I'm excited.
You get to scratch your itch here and there in the casino, and then you get to scratch that itch here on Trading Wars, and we're excited about it. But your contestant has not lost yet a 1v1. The man, Evan. Oh, hold on. Trigger man, Evan Aldo.
Maybe not today. Maybe not as much. I'm still not in a trade yet, so we'll see what happens.
Oh my gosh, he's trying to lose his nickname already. So chat, right quick. I want to just say hello. Shane Stein looked to be the first one that I can see in the chat. So let's go, Trading Wars. Good to see you. We got Crypto 420 in the house. Good to see you, brother. Gravy Train. Gary. Oh my gosh, Gary Gensler has. Hold on a second. Gary Gensler has entered the chat. Thank you, Gary, for being here. Please don't take us to jail. French Toaster in the house. And Crypto Al. Crypto Al, question for you in the chat. Are you competing this season? Just wanted to throw that out there. I know you had done really well at the very start of the season. Just wanted to see, what's going on. See if you're actively trading. And like I said, if you're looking to trade, win yourself $1,000, use the link. All right. So Bullish, I think you might already be in a trade. If you could share your screen, can you pull up and show us what you did, why you did it?
Yep. So Matic started swooping the 10, 20, and the 5.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Down here.
And here we go. All right. So I like this Matic play right now. We're up 2%. I entered right around here.
Yep.
I like the bounce it made, but the 5, 10, and 20 is swooping right now. So I think we're going to at least take a stab at the VWAP.
Okay.
So what I'll probably do is exit this trade at VWAP, but we're up about 2.5%, 3% right now. Pretty steady. I like both of these bounces off of, looks like this is a major support right here going all the way across. So we'll see what happens here. I don't have a stop loss at the moment because I'm watching the screen. But if I would, I'd probably put a stop loss like right before break even. But now we're up about 3.5%, 4%. So
Nice.
I like Matic. I think we're going for the VWAP. So let's see what happens here. But we're up. We're up pretty nice right now.
Shooting for the VWAP, and we're
I
up.
jumped
Crusader,
into
what
a-
were you about to say?
I jumped into a short. I
Uh-oh.
jumped into an XRP short over here.
Oh my dude, you're not allowed to use our account to short XRP. This is a
All
rule,
day,
bro.
baby. All
This is
day.
a rule. Do you want to show
There we
it?
go.
You want to
5%.
I have an XRP story in a second, but let's look at what Crusader did here. And I've got actually a story that just hit my desk about.
Yeah, I'm currently down on this trade, but I think it's that we're gonna pull back to this 64 cent 64.34. That's my target area. We have a little double top here in the 3-minute, kind of overbought a little bit. Coming down, I think we're gonna have a little retest of this 64.36. So I'm 1% down right now on my trade, but I got faith in it.
That's what you
It's
get.
coming down, baby. It's coming down.
Let me tell you a quick little story, Crusader. You haven't heard this, and I'll tell the chat. I do not hold money on exchanges. I just don't, right? I've got a little bit here and there, but it's not a lot. So this morning, I logged on to BitTrue, which is where when XRP was not available to be bought, I already had a ton of it, but there was a point at which I wanted to add some more, not a crazy amount, but I added some more. And I haven't been on there forever. And today, I don't know why, but I logged in and it said something about check your claim status. And I said, what do I have a claim status for? I opened it up and apparently 2,347 XRP had gotten somehow compromised from my account. I do not know how, right? They had already returned it back to me. Basically, I never saw the notification. It basically said if you didn't see the notification, then you agreed to the terms of service and we're giving it back to you. So something happened. This is a reason why, right? So I got it back. No big deal. Cool. It was only a couple thousand. It wasn't like a big deal, but this is why we talk to you about using hardware wallets. This is why we talk to you about securing and holding your own assets, being your own bank. You know, think about it. If XRP was at what all the XRP Kool-Aid drinkers thought it would be at by now, that would have been a $10,000 to $20,000, amount of money, and so it could have been a big deal. So just reminding everybody, these exchanges are called an exchange for a reason. It is to exchange, not to hold assets on. So a little fun story for it. Well, it's fun because I got them back, but wouldn't have been as fun if it was just a couple thousand gone, So Evan, you gonna do a trade, brother?
Yeah, I am. I went on short on Ethereum, and I'll show you why right now on the chart. And what I'm looking for is let me clean this up a little bit. It's pretty hard to see because I got so much stuff going on. But golden pocket right here that we're rejecting from 1 minute coming into the red was kind of where I entered. Now we got to see what happens with this green dot right here. We could potentially jump up a little bit higher and stop me out. Now it does look like we could come down a little bit, but it's starting to almost get a little bit invalidated. But hoping on some of these really low time frames that we come down a little bit deeper here. But so far,
it's fighting you.
So far, it's fighting me. But it's maybe a triple top right there. But see, we're rejecting, so we don't need to come down too much for this to be a profitable trade.
Profitable trade.
We gotta realize.
Crusader, I want to shout out to everybody. Flip or hodl. Tell the people. Well, you're eating, so I'll tell them. The first show of Flip or hodl is confirmed for Friday. We are giving away 1,000. Well, we'll see how he does, but one of the DCA fam is coming on Friday to play the game that won on the wheel this past week. He's going to have the opportunity to win $1,000 in Ben coin. Here is the game. If you haven't seen it, it is just like the game Deal or No Deal. You pick a case, then you pick 5 boxes. Boom. It says, here's the offer. You play flip or hodl. Well, I want to flip. I want to keep going. You pick 5 more boxes. Boom. Here's the offer. Well, I don't want 97 bucks.
$1,000, baby.
You lost 1,000 already. All right. We'll do 5 more cases. Just kind of showing people how this goes if you haven't seen it. All right. Banks offers 83 bucks. Nope. Not taking that. Were we down to 3 now? And then we go 3 cases, 90 bucks. Nope. Not taking it. What we got? Oh, hurt me. Okay, so it's 15, 20, or 300. All right.
There we go.
Number 4.
Oh, there goes the 300.
Well, 15 or 20 bucks. Change it. You got to change it.
I kept it. I got the 20 bucks, baby.
All right, you got the 20 bucks. All right, so if you are interested in coming on our show live, we are accepting super chats right now. Every dollar of a super chat that you give us is going to put you on this wheel. Let me show you the wheel real quick so that everybody can kind of see.
And reminder,
yeah,
we're doing the first one on Friday, but whatever money is not won, let's say David comes on and only wins $500 and there's $500 left over. That $500 is going to roll into the next game. So everybody sending in a super chat right now is trying to get an opportunity for the second game.
That's a good point.
So whatever money is left over from the first game, if the 1,000 is not won, will be rolled over into the second game. So there is, good incentive to try to get in there.
Yeah. So every super chat that you give, every dollar of a super chat that you give, puts you on the wheel. And like Crusader said, that number could get high. So we just want to throw that out there. If you're interested in coming on, Friday will be the first day. We already have David Brumblebow coming on, longtime DCA fan member, really good guy. Glad that he was the one that won. Excited to have him on the show. Hopefully he does win the whole 1,000. But if he doesn't, it'll roll over onto the next show. So for everybody in here that wants to have their opportunity, their little stab at possibly, winning themselves 1,000, 1,500, $2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Who knows how high the number could get? Just drop a super chat and we'll be happy to put you on the wheel. All right, gents. So Bullish, you are still in just one trade, or are you in multiple trades?
Nope. I took profit at the VWAP, swapped to the short side. So now we're in our second profitable trade for the day. I'm up 4% on this one, 5%. We're up pretty good right now. I'm going to see if we bounce here.
Okay.
Yep. Let's see if we bounce. We're up 5%. I might just take profit because that'll be the second profitable trade. But I still think we're going to get another red candle on Matic because that was a doji on the 5-minute. I don't know if anybody knows what a gravestone doji is. But if anybody wants to know, go to the 5-minute chart on Matic and look at that red candle that got rejected on VWAP. That's called a gravestone doji. 99.9% of the time, the next candle or two is going to be red.
Hold on. What is a gravestone doji? How do you distinguish it?
So it's when buying power gets rejected on the bottom and the top of the wick, but majority of selling and buying, majority will stay mid to bottom wick. So you'll see a very light wick on the bottom, but a longer wick on the top. And you'll see like the buying power kind of on the bottom center of that. So if you look at the 5-minute candle, go to the last 5-minute candle that was red, that's a gravestone doji. 9 times out of 10, the next one or two is always red. So like right now we're up 4 or 5% on this, but we're bouncing here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take profit. That's 2 profitable trades.
Nice. Good work.
I like the bounce.
How much did you make so
far? I think like 10 or 15 bucks.
Okay.
Fantastic.
I'm only doing 10x on. I'm playing $100 at a time.
Nice. Hey, Crypto Billy, shout out to you, brother. Just put your name on the wheel 10 times. Says one question: what does it pay? LOL. Much love. Just kidding. You guys are great. Much love. We appreciate you, Crypto Billy. And then we got Bubba's Crypto jumping in with 10. I'll put you on here in just a second. Bubba says, great idea. Thanks for continuing to produce great content. Hey, thank you guys. We really have been. Crusader, I gotta give us you know what? They just gave us a pat on the back, but I gotta give us a pat on the back. We decided a while ago we gotta give the people what the people want, which is something different, right? And we talked about it a lot. Started talking about game show stuff, started talking about interactive. How do we involve crypto, trading, game shows, putting it all together? And we came up with Crypto Wars, right? We came up with Trading Wars, and we came up with Flipper Hodl. We want this to be the interactive, fun place to go where you can also learn. So you can win money, right? As we get more and more companies that are coming in to join the token giveaways, it's going to get wild, bro. And I'm excited about that. And then the traders are just really dropping knowledge on people, dude. I'm excited about it, man. I've never been more excited about our channel than right now. We just rebranded. We've got 2 great new fun shows. People are learning left and right. People are winning money. I mean, dude, I'm excited.
Dude, 100%. I just want to give you an update. I did get stopped out of my XRP trade,
Of course you did.
but
That's what you get.
I was not wrong. I just had my stop loss was just too tight. But look, it did reject from what I was telling you and came right to this 64 before having a little bounce. My stop losses are just too tight, and I keep getting stopped out of it. But it was going the right direction. I jumped into an ETH short as well, along with Evan here. We got the value area high for the day, the range. We hit that, so we're rejecting from there, coming into some support here on the upper band of the VWAP. But I think we can push a little bit lower, maybe to the weekly open here of 2046 would be great.
Yep. Yeah. So let's keep it quiet where our stop losses are in this one.
Yeah, I'm not saying nothing about stop loss.
I'm sure people are on here stop hunting you as we speak.
Oh yeah. Well, it depends on the turn. I don't think we have.
The XRP army
don't have any
definitely was.
whales
I can
out
tell
there.
you that. The XRP army was like, we got to make sure he gets stopped out.
Yeah. Well, I called him. I wasn't actually adding names at the wheel. I was calling my XRP fam and said, make sure that this man gets stopped out. I'm willing to lose a little bit of money to teach Crusader. Don't be shorting my XRP. That's basically what happened there. So thank you guys very much. If you haven't already, smash the like. Hey, follow Bullish Trader, follow Evan Aldo. I want to give you guys a quick second. What do you guys have going on right now that you want people to know about? So Bullish, I'll start with you. Is there things that you're doing with your community? Is there stuff going on with the Bull token? Like, what kind of stuff you got going on right now?
Yeah, so I think the biggest thing we got coming up is the event in Miami at Art Basel. So bull token holders and anybody that has a Rich Fox Club, look, third profitable trade. I knew that bounce was going to happen. We're up 3% on this, 4%. Nice. Just playing these 5-minute Matic candles, man. They're beautiful right now. So bull token holders and anybody that has a Rich Fox Club, which I don't know if anybody knows, that's my community. My project was sold out about 2.5 years ago. My entire community is based around traders and trading, crypto, NFTs, stocks. So we're doing something big for the Miami Art Basel. The big event we're doing is anybody that has bull token or holds a Rich Fox Club, you'll be able to get in and drink for free. So you'll have open bar. That'll be a big event. But other than that, really just a lot of just trying to teach people how to trade. I don't know if many people know, but over the last 18 months in my community alone, 5 people have become millionaires. Average day Joes have become millionaires just taking our trades in Discord. Yep.
Dude, that's saying a lot, man. That is no joke. That means that people are coming on, learning how to actually do this thing, and then able to execute on it. And with trading, it can be so emotional, which we tell people not to be emotional, but it means that people are able to do what it is that you're throwing out there, bro. Congrats, man. That's
yeah, it's crazy. One of the guys was some dude that was retired that got hurt at work, and he was living off of his workman comp payout, whatever the hell it was. He started this was the first day. This is probably a good 18 months ago. He started with $25,000 in his account, and within 9.5 months, he made 7 figures in his account just by taking the trades that we have in our Discord. We have about a 90% win ratio on our trades in Discord. Majority stock options, because that's what I've been playing my whole life in the market. So. Yeah. But it's just crazy, bro. It's crazy. The dude gave me $80,000, like just gave me free 80 grand for steering him in the right direction. So it's pretty cool, man. So it's exciting.
Cool. That's really exciting, dude. And Bullish, how do they find your Discord?
So it's actually token gated. It's private. So if you want to access Discord, you can go to, I believe the link tree is in Rich Fox Club. Whatchamacallit. But the best way is to follow me, the Bullish Trader, same as here, no E in Trader, and just shoot me a DM on Twitter. And if you guys get involved, I can get you in the Discord. I try to keep it pretty private. I don't like the drama and all that bullshit that all these other communities have. So we have it's token gated in private Discord. So if you want to get in, you just got to hit me up.
Okay. Cool. Evan, what's new with you, brother? Besides the recent move. How's the move? Man. You get all moved in, you situated, looking good.
Yeah. Good place. Happy to be here. So excited about that. Moving was a lot of work. Oh man, that's you could lose your mojo trading a little bit for moving, but now we're getting back into the groove of things. Yeah, the Discord, I have a Discord as well. I mean, a lot of people do. It's a good community. It's me and a few other traders as well. We have 3 other people aside from me. So it's a lot of good stuff. And everybody has kind of their own, different strengths and weaknesses. So we like to have a lot of different viewpoints there. It's mainly crypto. I talk about stocks a little bit. And then, that's the main thing right now, the Discord and the YouTube channel, obviously doing a lot of live streams to kind of keep people updated on where we are in the market. I mean, there's a lot of rare bullish things on the charts right now, which is really good. And I think retail is still asleep on some levels. So hopefully, man, that 4-year cycle I'm excited for, and I think the altcoin accumulation area is looking really good. Some potential altcoins bottoming against Bitcoin, like Cardano, Avalanche, Polkadot. I think there's a lot of good opportunities there. I mean, there's a lot of smaller caps too that could do well. But I mean, I like to stick with the old and faithful, especially a lot of stuff that made me a small fortune in the last bull run. So, yeah.
Evan's been super successful. Evan, how old are you again?
I'm 26.
Evan's 26 years old and living in a penthouse, baby, in Miami. He's been doing well for himself. From
technically
trading.
Not in a penthouse. Not in a penthouse. I'm high up. I'm high up.
I mean, you're up there, right?
Yeah.
Maybe technically you're working your way up, right?
Yeah,
you're on the 37th, working to get to the 50th. All right.
Yeah.
We're getting there, right? But so if you guys are looking to just kind of learn, if you're just getting in and trying to figure out what's this thing with the stock market, what's this thing with crypto, make sure to check out Bullish and make sure to check out Evan, because there's a reason they're on the show. Let's put it that way. All right, update. Where are we at, gentlemen? Evan, let's start with you. What's going on?
We're down $13 right now on the Ethereum short, but we're looking good. I mean, to potentially come down. It's taken its time a little bit, but we got another half hour, so I think most likely we should be fine. I mean, we're just rejecting from this point. You got some bearish dips confirming. It's a pretty good setup still. Okay. If you look here, we're forming also a kind of head and shoulder type pattern. So if we do break down, I think we should be able to get down to some of our targets down here. Okay. Bitcoin, I'm almost about to pull the trigger on. Been debating, a trade like this to kind of short down to this spiral line right here, which I think probably will play out. And I might want to enter that real soon. So
okay, so you're keeping an eye on that. And Bullish, what you got going on, brother?
I took profit on my third trade. I swapped to the short side on Matic after I just took profit because I'm not liking this candle. It looks like we're forming another gravestone doji. So if this candle holds right where it's at, I think we're going to have another red candle down to probably test. It looks like like right under 91, but we'll see here. Three profitable trades so far. In my third one, see, this just turned. So, we're gonna maybe not. We'll see. All
right, that's what we like. We like seeing profitable trades. Hey, Gravy Train wants to know, Bullish, is there another option to join the Discord? I can't DM you without X Premium.
Really?
You want to? I guess you could follow him back so that he could message you. I guess that would work. That might be.
What's his
Gravy
Twitter?
Train? Drop your Twitter @ in the chat, and we'll get you guys linked up there.
Yeah, tell him, did he just follow me right now?
We will find out in the chat here in just a second. While we're waiting on that, I want to know if Evan. I want to ask you this. Anyone have any advice for Market Cypher? I'm having a rough time with this. So besides using our link down below and getting 20% off, what other advice might you have, Evan?
So, I mean, it's an advanced. I mean, there's a lot of things going on with Market Cypher. I mean, it's not just a buy and sell kind of indication like that. And most of those things are, I mean, usually anything that just says buy and sell in the beginning, when they first kind of release it, it'll be good. But then once everybody's looking at it, you got bots going after you and stuff. So, you got to find strategies with it, and you got to find different setups with it. You got to know where you want, predetermine, how much you're going to risk on a particular trade. Look into the strategies. I mean, I go over a lot of stuff on my live streams, on my pre-recorded videos. It takes time. I mean, it could take a few months to really learn Market Cypher, really learn some strategies with it. Not trying to show my course, but I do have a course that people have liked that does show you, 10 video lessons, or actually more now, how to go through it and all that. So be patient with it. I mean, I would say mess around with it. Try to find some strategies with it. It takes a little bit of time. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, and feel free to show your course because it's not shilling when we know that you're putting out good info. Bullish, he said he just followed you, so just letting you know.
All right,
And I'm not sure if his name is great. It's at John Hock right here. I'm putting it on the screen. Check this out. At JONHOCHSTETLER.
I got you, bro. Just shoot me a DM.
There you go. Okay, so we've got some positive trades for Bullish. Evan's still feeling positive about his ETH trade. He's down a little bit, waiting on that. Crusader tried to short XRP, went against him a little bit. Crusader,
why don't we play around the flipper hodl?
You want to play one?
Let's play around. Why not?
All right. So reminder in the chat. This is our new game. If you guys haven't, checked this out yet, we'll let the gentleman here on screen play, and we'll play with the chat as well. The chat can throw out some numbers, but for every $1 of a super chat that you put out there, we've got 20 names so far on the wheel. You can get an opportunity for us to spin the wheel. The first opportunity that somebody is actually, the first game is going to be on Friday, and we have somebody coming on. They're going to have the opportunity to win at least $1,000, or not at least. They're going to have the opportunity to win $1,000 worth of Ben Coin. So shout out to Ben Coin, the Ben Coin community. That'll be going on Friday, and then that number will continue to get larger if the person doesn't take the full 1,000. So who's going to pick the case? Bullish, you want to play first, or Evan, you want to play first? We can kind of toss it back and forth. Who wants to pick the case?
I'm trying to enter a trade right now, so how about we go with Bullish?
Bullish, pick a case. 1 through 24.
18.
All right, so Bullish picked 18. Chat, drop some numbers in the chat. Let us know which cases we're picking. The first 5 cases, we're playing Flipper Hodl while the gentlemen are looking through some of their trades. This is going to be a game that you guys are going to get familiar with as we have more and more people coming on to have the opportunity to win some money, because that's what it's about. Green Day Profit says 2. Number 2. Ooh,
$200.
2
Not
for
a great
200.
start. Not a great start.
Crusader, you pick one.
I'm gonna pick numero 9.
Okay,
Let's
$5.
go, baby. $5, baby.
Good pick. I'm going to pick number 14.
14. Good.
$35.
Good. Let's
Good
go.
one. It's a good pick.
Yeah.
Evan, throw a number.
more.
1 through 24.
24.
$7,
$7.
baby.
I
Let's
like
go.
it. And then Reckless Face says 17.
17.
Reckless
17.
Craze. Reckless Craze.
$20.
$20.
Also
All
good.
right.
Let's get it, baby.
All right, so Bullish, you got to pick the case, so you get to pick. There's $119 is what the bank's offering you. Well, you have almost the whole red side, the big side, still full.
Still got $1,000, 750, 500, 400, and $300 on the table.
Man, I'm a gambling man. Let's flip.
All right,
Let's go.
All
All right, so we got to pick 5 more cases now.
right, so we got number 23 from Savage Trades.
23, 60
$60.
$60.
Not
That's
bad,
not
not bad.
bad. That's not bad.
Crypto Gamer 5.
$15. Let's
okay.
go, baby.
Metroid Prime says 8.
Says 8.
I have a weird feeling about this one.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, I don't even know why, but that one just had me kind of question. All right, number 21.
21.
From Post.
Ooh,
$1.
$1, baby. Let's go.
What do we need? We need one more case.
We need one
to
more.
Pick. Crusader,
more
you
number.
pick. You pick.
I'm gonna pick numero 3. Let's go. It was,
Okay,
it was like
low
$15 or something.
All right, so it's at 122. So Bullish,
Only
you got
up like $3.
300, 400, 500, and 1,000 are still on the table that are above your bank offer. What do you want to do?
Let's flip.
He said, let's flip.
Let's flip it, baby.
Let's
Right.
flip it.
5
Chat.
more cases.
Super chats, just reminding you guys, every dollar you put in there gets you put on the wheel. You can come on the show live for an entire show. We're actually going to talk to you throughout the show, get to know you a little bit, have some fun with it. It's not just going to be just come on and then jump off. We're going to have some fun and let people get to know you a little bit. All right, Green Day Profit says 12.
Numero 12. 25. There you go, baby.
Bucks.
That's a
Okay,
good
let's
one.
keep them
That's
on the
a good
left-hand
one.
side, baby.
We still got the penny and 50 cents out there, though.
I think
Still
number
got the
1
penny.
needs to go away, bro. Number 1.
Number 1. You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one.
Okay.
That's a good one.
All right.
Good
All
one.
right. I like it.
Okay.
All right. What else we got? What else we got?
2 more. Evan, pick a case.
10.
Ooh!
Oh,
Oh!
Trigger
Damn.
Man shooting down the 1K. Bullish, he just took away your 1,000.
Oh, we want low numbers.
Damn.
Oh, Evan was excited. No, it's gone. You shot it out of the sky, Trigger Man.
You gotta try to get the low numbers, the high numbers on the table.
He's like, "Oh yeah," and I'm like, "No, that's not."
Yeah, now I understand. Now I remember. It's like you want low numbers, not high.
That's not how the game's played. Let's get rid of number 13.
$300. Not a good one either. Not a
good
bueno.
pick. Man, this has been a rough round right here.
One more. Yeah, this round's been killer. Go for 19. There we go, baby. Low number. $3.
$88. So above $88, you've got 100, 400, and 500 there, Bullish. You want to flip or hodl?
Let's flip.
All right, he says let's
Keep it
flip.
going. All right. Three cases this time. Three cases.
Alpha 1 says number 18. You can't pick 18 because that Alpha, that is actually our case. That's the case that Bullish picks, and he gets to hold on to or change it at the end.
Yeah.
So you can't pick 18.
Still got the penny and the 50 cents out there, bro. I'm nervous.
Man, I want case number 6 to go away.
Number 6?
Yeah, number 6.
50 cents,
there it is, baby.
There we go. There we go.
All right, it was a good pick. Crusader, hit one.
All right, I'm gonna hit number 11.
Number 11.
$50.
Okay, not terrible. I mean, could have been better, but not terrible. Okay, we need what? One more.
One more.
Evan.
Let's see. 7.
Oh,
Evan.
That's not that bad.
What do you mean? You took the highest one off the board.
Oh,
damn.
I couldn't see. Which one? What was it?
You took
Evan always shoots for the big
off.
numbers.
I know.
What was it? I didn't even see the number. What?
500.
500.
Oh.
I'm assuming we're gonna flip here. We got $75 offer. We still got $400 on the table.
I think that 400 is under 18.
So Crypto Gamer says 16.
16.
Oh no!
No!
It just went downhill. And listen, this can be a lesson to people that are watching. Right? This is not a given. Right? Come on here. Just be prepared. That banker might be making you a good offer.
That's
if
right.
you pick the wrong case. Okay.
$100 is the highest number on the table right now.
Good gracious!
Oof. This last few have been
case
tough.
number 4. Get rid of it.
$55, dude. The one penny is still
are
here.
you holding the penny, Bullish? Are you holding the
penny? Boy, I hope not.
Right.
15, 20, or 22?
15, 20. Bullish, pick it. 15, 20, or 22?
20.
$10.
All right, so you got a $39 offer. You can't take that, right?
You went from 119 to
we flipping, baby. We flipping.
All right.
Here it comes. This is the last pick.
That's the last
Come on.
Well,
Bullish, it's your case, and it's last pick.
All right, 15. 15.
75.
Okay, you either have a penny or $100.
Oh shit!
So now are you keeping your 18 case, or are you switching it for the 22? Whatever you get.
I think I'm confident. I think I'm confident here.
You're gonna keep it?
Yeah, let's keep it.
Are you sure about that?
Statistically, flipping your case gives you a 66% better chance. I'm just letting you know.
What?
Yeah,
I like 18.
I'll tell you. You're gonna keep it. Final offer.
I'm gonna keep it. Let's keep it.
Here we go.
Oh,
yeah! $100. Let's go. That was a good one.
Let's get it.
It's fun, dude. It's a fun game. We're looking forward to sharing it with the crowd. Everybody, we're going to be playing that game live for $1,000 worth of Bencoin on Friday. And if you haven't put a super chat in, if you want to have the opportunity to be on the following show, after that, make sure to toss in your super chats. Every dollar gets you a name on the wheel. So don't want to beat that into the ground. I'm just letting you guys know somebody's going to be coming on all the time. The crowds are going to get big in here too, Crusader. I know it because that number is going to continue. Bigger, so like now, let's use this as an example. If that was a live game, okay, then Bullish would have just got $100 worth of Ben token, right? In this instance, because Ben token is sponsoring the show on Friday. So you got $100. So now we still got $900 worth of Ben token sitting there for the next time the game gets played when somebody comes on. Guess what?
1900
because the cases are going to now get flopped from a penny to 1900.
That's right.
Or I mean, we could start it at a penny. We could say whatever at any event, a penny. Excuse me, to 1900.
1900 becomes the big number on the table.
All right, we've been
So-
fooling around. Let's do we're here for Trading Wars, gentlemen. Trades. Let's
I'll
check
go
in on
first.
them.
So
Crusader, you're gonna go first.
Yeah,
Good.
I got stopped out of my ETH short.
Oh,
But
see,
once
it's
again,
because you're going against both of my assets, XRP
no,
and
look,
ETH.
I'm in
bro.
profit on that.
It just pumped. It pumped back up to the same top, and it came back down. I would be in profit if my stop loss was not tight. It's just that I have a 5% stop loss.
You're trying to fight my girlfriend.
No, bro,
in
this
ETH.
thing's gonna drop, bro.
right?
This is gonna drop to the week open.
And-
Look, there it goes. Look, there it goes. It's coming. It's
And
coming
my
to this
XRP
week
back.
open, baby.
Wait, I need Bullish. How much in profit are you right now? I need to know how much I need because I'm ahead like 20 or 35 right
Ooh.
now.
What if he
Ooh.
wants to
Bro,
keep the secret?
I got wrecked on my my
Oh, no.
short earlier. Got stopped out, but I'm in my short now. I'm literally right now. We're at like dead break even unless this short goes down. I'm hoping Matic goes back down to test like the 90-cent range.
Bullish. Actually, I'm going to push back a little bit because you had 1,001 coming into the day. Unless did you trade outside of hours?
Yeah, I did. I came in the day with 980. I came in with 980. I was
Okay,
down
cool.
$20.
Okay,
I
so
got
you
stopped
did,
out
you
of
did do
the
another
deep.
trade, or you left one.
Yeah.
Open? Okay, cool. So he's down about $5. Evan, where are you at? Let me see what you got.
So I'm up. So I closed out the Bitcoin short for a $20 profit. 22 or yeah, 20. Oh no, that's ETH. I got to go to the Bitcoin chart.
Yeah, you got to go to the Bitcoin chart.
I'll show you. Why not?
Don't worry, I'll show you.
And then look, $20
He's saying E.
profit right there, and then the ETH trade. We're gonna go back right to here.
Okay.
And now I'm up $20 with it. I want to. Don't be preventing my fruit. I can't show you guys. Oh, no,
bro, you're up $40-something right now.
Yeah,
that's gonna be a tough comeback in the next 22 minutes. But
I think I might just close this out just to seal the deal and hope that Bullish
he
can't
said to
fight
seal
back.
the deal, Bullish. So you can get
Let's
strong.
go.
You can get strong, Bullish, and put a little larger, little more capital at play here. Just throwing it out there, make him sweat.
Yeah, I should have on this one. I'm back to break even again. This Matic short is really paying off right now, so let's see where it goes. I'm hoping for one more red candle to kind of go retest the open.
And you said on Solana or Matic?
Matic.
Oh, I was looking in the chat. I think when somebody said Solana, somebody was talking about Solana 3-minute short. Let's go. That's what I was looking at.
Okay,
there we go.
Just
there
closed
she goes.
out the ETH short for a $40 profit. So up $60 on the day.
Woo, Evan,
I don't know if I'm going to do any more trades. I think I'm done unless Bullish starts fighting back here and I'm maybe force 10 or something.
Evan said, I haven't lost yet, and I don't plan on losing today either. So I might just sit back the last 20 minutes and see what Bullish can do. No, I
Hoping we come down. Let's see what happens.
I hear it. All right, so chat. Just want to tell everybody, first of all, smash the likes. Thank you guys for being here. You could be anywhere on a Wednesday, but you're hanging out with Crypto Wars. For those of you, just as a reminder, we have rebranded. Debate Crypto is no more. We are Crypto Wars, and we are currently on a 1v1 for our show, Trading Wars. So smash the like if you haven't already. Put the bell notification on. It's really simple. If you're in mobile, sometimes people ask, just X out of the live chat, hit the like, come right back in. It's the most simple thing you can do to support our show. We appreciate you. Let's see what's going on in the chat.
I jumped into a Caspa Schlong here.
A Caspa Schlong?
No,
Caspa
a
Schlong?
Just a long.
It kind of sounded. Did it not sound like he said a Caspa Schlong? I thought he did.
No, just a long. I think we're having a little retest here. So we came down off this here. We're having a little swing failure pattern here, bouncing up. We're getting resold, oversold out here in the chart prime. Looks like Marcus Effort might be printing a green dot here pretty soon on the 3-minute. So I think we're gonna have a little bit of a bounce here. So Here we go. I'm down right now, about 2%, 3%, but
Okay,
I think we're gonna bounce back up.
that can turn right back around. Who was it? Was it Lifer that has been killing it on Caspa?
Dude, Caspa's been making nothing but all-time highs, bro.
Yeah, it's been making people some money for sure. Green Day Profits, shout out to you. Longtime follower says that game is a blast. We love the game, man. We think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm more excited about the the opportunity to meet you guys and see the smile on people's face as they win money. You know what I mean? I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a lot of fun to have people come on. We see your names all the time in the chat, and then it's really cool. I actually have met David. So just by chance, he's the one that won. I've met him. And so I was even more excited just because he's such a good guy. I don't know if he's in the chat right now or not, but he's such a good dude. If somebody is deserving of winning the 1,000 right off the rip, I'm going to tell you right now, David would be one of them for sure. He's a really good dude. So.
Yeah, dude. He's a DCA member a long time. He was out there at the boot camp learning how to survive. So I'm glad that he was the first one to come on to the show.
It's pretty cool to see one of our longtime community members. But we want all of you to have the opportunity to come on and play and win some money. So
that's right.
Billy said Miguel needs some new trading war emojis. So
yeah, I do. I need to make some.
We need to make some little emoji action. All right, Bullish, check in. Let me see what you got.
Pretty much back to break even. Yeah, I got back to even off that trade, and I just swapped into a long on Matic. I like the bounce here. I hope it plays with ETH. It definitely came down to retest it around open today, so I'm hoping we take another stab at that VWAP. We'll see what happens.
Are you possibly entertaining the idea of jumping into another trade while that's happening? Since Triggerman over here is kicking back, drinking coffee, and feeling secure in himself for the day. I don't know. I'm just asking.
I took a pretty decent, put a decent amount in on this long. I'm pretty confident on this one. So let's see what happens.
Cool.
We're forming a hammer candle right now on Matic. So hopefully we can, if we can go back and test VWAP, this trade alone should put me pretty even with Trigger.
Okay.
Oof. It's gonna be competitive. Might have to enter something else now.
Got 17 more minutes for.
Oh yeah, hidden bull div on Matic on the 1 minute. That could be.
Oh, look at him! He's scalping. He's scoping. He's like, man, let me see.
I see what you're looking at. I think you might be able to pull it off.
Did he make a good trade? I'm getting a little squirmy in my seat. Getting a little squirmy. Somebody said that what Toncoin 200%.
Time coin.
Ton is that the Telegram coin?
I'm about to look right now.
That's a large cap.
That's a large cap. It's like number 10 or something. Hold on.
Yeah, that's what that.
Yeah, it is. I'm telling you, it is. It is. Yeah. Toncoin. It's way up here. Hold on a second. It's number 13. It's number 13. It's got an $8.1 billion market cap. I don't know where he got the 200% from, or just saying, hey, it's a good.
Maybe it's up 200% year to date or something.
Maybe so. It's up 2.77% today. Let me take a look at it right quick.
Tom coin? Is it a shit coin or like a?
No, it's literally top 15.
Yeah.
Well, really?
Wow. Was in the top 15.
Well, that's a good point. Touche.
That don't mean it's not a shit coin.
That's right. XRP's up there too. You're right.
Oh, God, it never ends with you with that. It never ends. The XRP hater. I'm gonna get you an XRP T-shirt for Christmas, and
you know what it says XRP sucks. I'll wear it all day.
Oh, you'll just put like a big sticker on the bottom of it that's or a big piece of tape and write "sucks" on it.
Sucks, or pointing it like a little arrow pointing as like with stupid.
Crypto Gamer says makes me want to trade again, bro. Crypto Gamer, jump in, use our link. Even listen. A small amount of money, bro. You don't have to do anything wild. Jump in and use our link. Get yourself into some trading again, man. And if you're wondering like, okay, well, how do I get started again? I don't know how much you've traded before, but if you're looking to get some more education on it, we've got 2 men on the show right now that have educated a lot of people on how to make some money. So there's an opportunity there if you're looking to learn and then get back into trading. So just throwing it out there. All right. Patriot Caveman said, I literally sold my last 30 quant for Caspa yesterday. Now I only have 2 cryptos, Caspa and Hello, going for the gusto. I don't know what Hello is, but hopefully you do well there.
Oh God, only 2. Oh man,
Okay.
that's a gambling profile.
What's that?
That's a
Oh,
guy.
yeah,
Got 2 tokens in his entire
No
portfolio.
diversification there, just 1 token called hello.
Yeah, but dude, look at his name, right? Patriot Caveman, right? Like, so he's just.
Oh,
going
I've seen
full
this guy
sap-
before.
He's going full savage with his.
I think
with his
he's being.
portfolio.
I think he's joking. I don't think that's those only 2 cryptos.
Mm,
I hope he's joking.
I don't know. He said, I hope he's
I hope so.
joking.
I hope so too.
He said he swapped over to Caspa. A lot of people have done really well with it. So
Yeah, man. Look, that ETH short, man, came right down to that week open, a little bit lower actually. Now it's having a little bounce on the VWAP
Yeah,
on the way up. So perfect short right there.
yeah, we might be seeing some relief here. Hopefully, not enough relief for.
Are you
bullish
still in
for the-
that ETH short?
No, I closed
Oh,
it.
okay. That's right.
Made $40 on that.
That's
so
great.
I mean,
Come on,
$60. Good.
We got 13 minutes for Matic to test that VWAP again. Let's go.
Ooh.
We looking juicy right now. Ooh, ooh. We looking juicy.
Yeah, so I'm betting bullish can't beat the $60 profit mark in the next 13 minutes. That's what I'm betting here.
you're betting it. Okay, so what's it got to get to? What do you think it's got to get to for him to get there?
We need to test VWAP. If we test VWAP, I'll still probably be about $20 under him.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to take another quick trade this last 10 minutes. I'm seeing where this 5-minute candle holds. Yeah, there we go. We're moving.
Is
We are
VWAP at
moving.
92 cents? Or
It's like 90.918999.
oh, okay.
Patriot Caveman says he's not joking. That's what he's going with. I don't know what the hello token is.
Must be some meme coin.
Guessing it's a meme coin. That's my assumption. I don't really know what it is. Dude, Bitcoin's at 37.6 right now.
Bitcoin
I know, it's
pumped up to
crazy.
almost 38 earlier today.
I just didn't even see that happening. We've been so busy.
Hit 37,800 earlier today.
Been so busy getting after it. Chat, if you haven't smashed the like already, make sure you do. I want to make a quick mention again. Thank you to our sponsors, Market Cypher, 20% off code down below. High IQ, don't be stupid. Buy High IQ. That link is down below as well. Got some really good stuff going on there. And then thank you, ZoomX, for providing all the liquidity. You have been a great partner. We really appreciate you for all of your support. The traders that are on the show are not specifically sponsored by ZoomX. Crypto Wars is sponsored by ZoomX. Just want to make that clarification. But yeah, they've provided the ability for this to happen. So,
dude, and this Friday, finally, the first Flipper Huddle official game is going to be happening thanks to Bencoin.
yep.
Shout out to them for providing the liquidity, giving you the opportunity to win up to $1,000. And then anyone that's sending in a super chat right now is getting lined up and ready for show number 2. So whatever is left on the table is going to get rolled over in there. So make sure you get your opportunity.
Yeah, I do want to throw out there on the super chats. We need some more because there's only 2 names on there. I mean, there's 20 names on there, but there's 2 names on there right now.
2 people.
There's 2 people.
20 names, 2 people.
There is 20 names, 2 people right now. So that would be a heck of an easy, 50-50 to get on the show. And, I'll throw it out there. One of the 2 names is Crypto Billy, who, again, another huge longtime supporter of the show, somebody I'd love to have come on. So thank you again, Billy, for that. And then also thank you to Bubba's Crypto for the other super chat. So the wheel looks like, let me show you what the wheel would look like if we spun it right now. Let me show you. All right. If we spin the wheel right now, guys, here it is. Let's give it a whirl. See who would have won. Here we go. This is not happening, but it's happening.
It's not an official win.
Wow. Dude, right at the end there. Right at the end. That went so
that was a steal right there.
That definitely was a steal. Bubba stole it from Billy right there at the end. That was not a live spin. I was just doing that for fun, guys. So yeah.
Get your name on that wheel, baby. Every single dollar. All that matters. You don't gotta send in $10.
Here. We got Bullish. Let me pull up. I'm gonna pull yours up, Bullish. Bullish up a couple bucks. Still kind of waiting around for Matic to do its thing. And up was I see some green candle action. Come on up. Well, that went from $2 to $6 really quick. Got a little movement.
Turn.
What kind of time frame are you looking at? You looking at a 5-minute chart right there?
Yeah.
All right.
We got
Is that-
9 minutes.
Is that bullish? Let me ask you, when you are trading, I know you trade a lot in the mornings, I know you trade a lot on the stock market, but when you are trading crypto, do you have a specific time frame that you like? Are you a short term? Are you a scalp trader? Are you a swing trader? What kind of trading do you like to do?
So, with ETH and Bitcoin, I definitely go more long term. But if I'm playing like Matic, XRP, stuff like that, I'll trade the 5-minute candle. I'll use the 5, 10, and 20 in VWAP. And I'll just trade as long as shit stays above the 5, 10, 20, I'm bullish. Once it starts getting under those moving averages, that's when I'll be more confident in taking shorts. But Matic is staying pretty consistent right around this 5, 10, 20. So that's why I'm bullish. Hopefully it goes for the VWAP before the end of the show. We got about 8 minutes, so We'll see what happens.
Mr. Market, I'm adding your name to the wheel. Thank you for the super chat. Got your name on there one time, Mr.
You see
Market.
French Toaster. He typed in $1.
Look at Billy. Look at Billy. Well, where'd French Toaster put that in? Hold on a second. No. He was trying to tell. He was trying to tell somebody. I think. I don't think
he typed in $1. Like maybe we can get him.
Maybe they won't notice. Billy just said, "This is too funny." Billy just added 10 more bucks. Said, "Adding more leverage." All right, Billy. I'm gonna go in there and put you on there 10 more times.
He's just risking. He's just managing his risk there, making sure that he's got more of a chance to win.
Good old Billy. I'm adding you 10 more times. Boom. Boom. 2.
I'm telling you,
Come
man.
on, Matic.
Slick. Let's see Bullish Trader. Let's see what's going on. You up what? $6? $6.50, I think.
Yeah, I'm hoping this Matic breaks out here. We got 2 minutes for this candle ends.
Come on. We got 7 more minutes.
All right, Billy. You're on there, brother. Thanks for the support, as always. We appreciate you. Yeah, French Toaster's like $1. Maybe it'll turn blue and they'll never notice. On our end, guys, they turn blue, so you know what I mean. They light up. That's how we see them. But no, we appreciate everybody for being here. You don't have to throw a super chat to get on the wheel. We just are excited about the game coming up. We're excited about Trading Wars, dude. Crusader, I'm just telling you now, the lineup this season is, I think, it's just like last season, great lineup, right? You were probably a little heavier in terms of people that like actively they're just flat out traders.
Let's just say the best traders.
Well, they're all incredible. So, but this season, I feel like it's just a little bit more, right? And you're gonna get smacked. I saw what Forrest did yesterday, and I just know, just even with that, you're in trouble.
Look, man, Forrest is a great trader.
French Toaster. It turned blue this time, baby. We got French Toaster on the wheel, baby. Thank you for the super chat. You're on the wheel, French Toaster. I'm putting you on right now.
Yeah, man. I mean, obviously, Forrest is a great trader. He's got tons of experience, jumped into 20 trades, but
what?
He's got to make it count when it counts, right? He's got to trade in that hour and get that P&L up. If he can trade all he wants all month long, but if his trades are only going up on off hours, it ain't going to help your team, my friend. So
that is
gotta get that lined up.
That is a good point. It is a good point. But I'm just, just trying to give you a heads up. Might be ugly for you this time.
I don't think so, man. I got full confidence in my team, 100%. They're gonna take the dub once again.
Going to take the dub once again. I'm interested to see when we get one of the teams that decides that they're actually going to legitimately work a strategy together as a team, because we haven't seen that yet.
Yeah.
And I think it could go either way though. If the strategy was, here's a strategy I thought of. If you have
5 minutes, guys, by the way, 5 minutes.
If you have two people shorting, so we look at an asset, okay, we think it's stronger this way than this way, but you have two people short, pretty heavy, but a decent tight stop, and the other people long, pretty heavy with a decent little tight stop. Basically, as a team, you could schlong it, and you could go in and out of trades like that as a team if it were talked about ahead of time, and it could work. It could work. I'm just saying.
I don't think so, because if they start schlonging everything, if the team starts schlonging everything, they're just gonna have to. That would only be a good strategy if the team's P&L is already extremely high, or they did a really good episode or two, and then they're like, we want to preserve this P&L. So they start schlonging to keep their P&L flat,
Not
hoping that the
necessarily.
other team doesn't catch up.
Not necessarily, because if the asset pumps like pretty decent and they've got some high leverage on it, the 3 people or the 2 people that take a big trade and are able to pull profits, it makes a big difference quick.
Well,
that's what I'm saying.
Only if what you're saying is when they schlong it, like whoever is long or one side has to be heavier on the leverage than the other side.
Yes, and they both have to have a tight stop.
Has to go in that direction for the schlong to.
That's easy, dude. It's just like buying the bottom, selling the top. It's simple.
Yeah, of course.
It's simple. That's what we do here at Crypto Wars. We buy bottoms and sell tops.
Mr. Marcus
Adrian Sanchez says $2 USD. Says for a slice of that pie. Thank you, Adrian. I'm putting you on the wheel as we speak. Adrian
Mr. Marcus says, I got mine at a discount, 99 cents.
Trust me, I saw it, but I couldn't put your name on there 0.99% of the way. So yes, you did. You did.
What we'll do is if the wheel ever spins and it lands like right on the border and he wins, we'll discount that 0.01 right there.
And it'll go the other way. Yeah. You're not gonna like when it discounts that way, my friend. So we got 86 people in here, guys. We're getting towards the end of the show.
Likes, baby. Smash those likes. Let's get 80 likes in here.
Yeah, Evan has Trigger Man. It's just sitting. I mean, you see the smug face on the smug look on his face right now. He said, "No triggers being pulled here. Just sitting here and profits."
Yeah,
Evan, what'd you get? What do you have today? About
we're $60 in profit.
60 something. RS Miller,
that's great.
$10 super chat. Thank you, RS. I'm putting you on there right now as we speak. Appreciate you,
dude. $60 profit in literally 1 hour. That's great, bro.
Oh hell yeah,
that's
not bad. Not bad. There's some good setups. I mean, some of the days it's tougher because there's not good setups around, and then some of the days you get lucky. They're just a good short setup. I mean,
yeah, there was good volatility in the market today. Hopefully, we can see some volatility that tomorrow on Thursday for Trading Wars. Keeper's first try for this season. Don't got much hope for their team, but you know.
We got Crypto Pollo in the chat.
El Pollo Hermano, what's going on, man?
No, it's been a good day today. I do want to shout out one more time sponsors. Market Cipher, thank you very much. 20% code down below. Evan loves using Market Cipher for sure. Crusader's been using it.
There's a reason why they use it, man.
There is. Ben, so don't be stupid. Use High IQ, had the biggest winning trade using High IQ last season. So shout out, don't be stupid, use High IQ. And then ZoomX, providing all the liquidity, the ability to do the show. Shout out to you. We love you guys as a partner. I'm super excited to continue to press forward. So we've got almost 100 people in here. I don't know where we're at with the likes. It's a simple ask, right?
We are at 53 likes, baby.
We're 53 likes.
Keep it going.
We are just not even at 50%. Reminder also one more time, Friday, Ben Coin. Shout out to Ben Coin. They've provided liquidity for Flipper Hodl. The game is going to happen on Friday. We will tomorrow, letting everybody know for Trading Wars for the show, we will be doing more super chats tomorrow for people to get the opportunity to get on the wheel. We're going to load that wheel up. And then on Friday, we are going to be going live with our boy David Brumblebow to play Flipper Hodl. Excited about that. That'll be after my team annihilates Crusader tomorrow on the show on Trading Wars.
Yeah. Hopefully we get enough super chats between then and Friday, and we can spin the wheel on Friday again for the next
that'd be
show.
fun. That'd be fun. That'd be fun. We've got 2 of your team members right now on the show. I just want to ask you guys, Evan and Bullish, how do you feel about losing this season already?
Losing this season.
How do you feel about that? I just want to ask why you guys are.
It's rough. It's rough.
Aldo, why have people been saying some of the YouTube links are dead, dude? I'm pulling them right off of their YouTube. Well, I don't know why.
I'm not surprised. You're a little technically challenged sometimes. It happens. So that just shows you where their team is headed. Not bueno.
Apparently, it's all Keeper's fault. If I'm leading the way, you guys are in trouble. You guys are in trouble. Well, gentlemen, let me check the P&L. So Evan,
401. It's 401, guys.
Evan, what'd you end up at?
$60.
$60. Bullish. Remember, you don't have to close out if you don't want to. But what did you end up at? Down.
I
about
was
$2.
down $1.70, but I was down 27, so I'm kind of happy about that.
I mean, dude, down $1 after an hour and multiple trades. It's not.
That's a good comeback.
And I want to remind everybody, we always remind you guys, but I just want to say it again. Whoops, I'm trying to stop the screen share there. We are putting these traders under the most difficult conditions. We're saying, hey, trade at 3 o'clock. First of all, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, generally, as a rule, not a great time to trade. We're also saying, hey, you have to trade. You can't just sit here and have fun with us. You have to trade. So we're forcing them into a trade. That's another thing. We always tell people, be patient, right? So if you guys are looking to compete in this, you do have a huge advantage. So use our link. It's pinned in the chat. It's also down below the video. Sign up for ZoomX, put some money in, and win $1,000 because you get to trade 24/7 as much as you want when you want, when the times are good, when the markets are going in your direction.
That's
you have
right.
the opportunity, whereas the contestants are being pushed to their limit. They've got to do it when we say.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, I'm
I
not
mean,
gonna
it's
lie.
it's a lot harder than people think it is. Like, it's tough to trade within 1 hour. I've done it a little bit this week, and man, it's not easy. Even if your TA is correct, right? The time frames are so short, and you're trying to manage your risk. You're tight. Stop losses might be tight. You get stopped out of your trade, and then it goes in the direction. You're like, damn, I missed that trade. Right? ETH drop is still dropping. It broke below the week open. It's heading down to the PLC. So that was a great short right there. Yeah, Evan would have been still killing it on that short.
Yep.
Crypto Polio is trying to bust my balls over here. He says, I think these rules came from Keeper's Trade Journal. Hey, listen, keep it above the belt. All right. Just want to remind everybody also, I'm fighting in karate combat in the Dominican Republic. The exact date of the fight has not yet been announced, and I'm not allowed to announce my opponent. But thoughts and prayers going out to my opponent. You know why. So
oh wow, I might come to that fight. I might come there,
dude. It's gonna be epic.
Fun.
It's gonna be.
I might go to that if I'm available. I might go to that.
It's gonna be epic, and we
Keeper
will be
knows
out.
He's got to win. If he loses, the show's gonna be dropping a host real quick.
Yeah, we don't support losers on this.
That's
channel.
right.
Okay, so I'm getting ready, and yeah, also just want to shout this out. I need to actually put this link into our description, but I'll be dropping some more stuff on Twitter. You guys will see coming out. There's actually a video coming out on Cryptos R Us or CRU Plus tonight of kind of my intro video, so you guys can check that out. But there's a party on December 14th. You can come out, meet all of the fighters, meet a bunch of other, YouTube influencers, some other people, some MMA. There's a whole lot of stuff going on that we're going to be doing. It's going to be a huge party out in Vegas on December 14th. And then December 15th is the next Karate Combat event. So if you guys want to see it, if you haven't checked it out, I know when the word karate comes out, a lot of people think people.
Yeah,
like,
the technical type of like the point fighting.
They're thinking point fighting. No, we are whooping people's ass is what's happening here, right? It's full on. It is 4-ounce gloves. It is no headgear. It's savage. So it could get it could get
Crypto Gamers asking KYC on ZoomX. No KYC, no VPN required. 100%. You're good to go. Just gotta sign up with the link in the chat.
And Crypto Billy, thoughts and prayers, obviously coming from you. Appreciate you. He said, if I was your dad, Keeper, it would be killing me. Be safe, bro. Love you too, man. I will definitely be safe. And I will tell you, my opponent, I'm just going to say it. He looks solid. He does. He looks good. He's been training. He looks good. So I am getting myself ready so that I'm right there with him. And it's going to be exciting. All right. So Bullish, Evan, thank you guys very much for coming on to the show. Congratulations, Evan. Evan, listen, you yet to lose a 1v1, bro. You yet to lose.
So far, yeah.
On the 1v1.
What's the record? This is his third or fourth?
3-0, I believe.
He's 3-0. Yeah,
3-0.
So he beat Army Piper, he beat Magic, and he beat Bullish now. So
I pulled a little Joe Biden against Magic.
But dude, he did not follow the. I did pull a Joe Biden. I mean, the reality is, yeah, if you watch that show, you know, I gave very specific rules of what had to happen for that 1v1, and Magic didn't follow the rules. He was like, no, keeper, not doing that. And I'm like, okay.
Hey, a win's a win, bro. Even if it's a
That's right. Take the
technicality,
dub.
it's a win.
Take the dub, take the dub, take the dub. All right, crypto fam, you could have been anywhere on a Wednesday afternoon, but you were, it's Wednesday, right? Is it Wednesday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wednesday. Okay. On a Wednesday afternoon, but you're hanging out with Crypto Wars. We love you guys. Make sure to come back tomorrow for Keeper's team. We're going to be getting after it 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Trading Wars. We're going to be messing around with the wheel for the game that's coming up on Friday, guys. Just pay attention. There's a lot happening and a lot changing here. Follow Evan. Follow Bullish. Make sure you've got the bell notifications on. Question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl.
Like it's hot.
We'll see you soon.